Hey guys, it's another translating of English song to the almighty Igbo. Igbo asaka, Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwezono. One love, my people. Let's go there. He sent me to give the good news to the poor.
The good if to the poor. To give the good if to the poor.
Poor, give him a poor neighbor.
Or send more to give the good if to the home.
To the
home.
Okay. Oh, send the go to give if to the home. Alright. The prisoners that they are prisoners no more.
The jail people that's high, but jail people no more.
Okay. The jail people that have, but jail people no more. Alright. The blind people that they may see.
The loser anya people that they may see.
Sorry.
The cheerful anya people that they may see.
The cheerful anya beka ha cheerful zilanya. Keba ha cheerful ya? Eh? Keba ha cheerful anya?
Na beha.
Okay, na beha. Okay. Then the cheerful anya na beha that they may sing and sent the captive go free.
And send go free.
Hey, captive, ndejeji. Oh yeah, nakowa. And sent the captives go free.
And send on your mouth go free.
And go tell everyone the news that the kingdom of God has come.
And go tell.
You're still speaking English with me.
And you're telling all the whole community.
Hey!
The good music, the God have come to us.
I don't care how tired. And go tell everyone.
And the whole community.
The news that the kingdom of God has come.
The Ife news that the kingdom of
What is
Jehovah.
kingdom? What is kingdom in Igbo?
The Ife news that the castle of Jehovah.
Castle. Kingdom Igbo castle. Hey, Dalo. Thank you for coming. Oh, Zite freedom. Can end divide.
In divine devil.
They won't know. Let us welcome contestant number 2. Expensive one. Let's go there. He sent me to give the good news to the poor.
Guamua to give the news to Polly.
Hi. No, again.
To give the news to Polly.
Okay. Guamua to give the news to Polly. Paul, Paulina,
Polly.
Okay, Polly. Okay. The prisoners that they are prisoners no more.
Prisoners, not dead.
Eh? Prisoners. Jesus, na Roman pizza. No Roman pizza. The prisoners.
Prisoners.
Okay, prisoners. Hey, the blind people that they may sing.
Anya ginanasi.
Bota.
Anya ginanasi.
Anya gi.
Anasi.
Okay, anya ginanasi. Hey, okay. And go tell everyone.
And jegwa anumu.
Eh?
And jegwa anumu.
Jegwa animal.
Yes.
Hey, kizi ke everyone say animal. Animal. Okay. The news that the kingdom of God has come.
The canals of come.
Hey, Ajunebum. Neto. The news that the kingdom of God has come.
The news that
Can you news in Igbo?
the
Hey! Thank you for coming. Expensive, Fumu. Thank you. Wakenende bye. Dewo. Let us welcome contestant number 3. Cancel it on one. Let's go there. He sent me to give the good news to the poor.
To give the good news to the poor.
No zigging again.
To the good news.
Hey! Good no to the poor. Eh? Poor. Okay, poor ni bobo. Poor. Alright. The prisoners that they are prisoners no more.
Prison or they are prison no more.
Eh?
Prison or they are prison no more.
Okay. Onyena prison or they are prison no more. Okay. The blind people that they may see. See is English. Okay. Okay. And send the captive go free.
And see the captive go free.
Eh?
And see the captive.
A block captive. I had that water one driver. Here in the captive. Captive.
Oh.
Send them free.
And see the people not captive.
Yeah?
And see the people not captive.
Save. They're not seeing them. Save. And save the captives. Okay, send them free. Yeah. I set them free.
And happy the cap.
Eh?
And happy the captive Jeffrey.
Okay, and happy the captive Jeffrey. Alright. And go tell everyone.
And Jeva namu.
Eh?
And Jeva namu.
Okay, Jeva umunagi. Onabo ugu gonna know.
No.
Okay, na newi. Si Jeva umunagi niki na newi. Alright. The news that the kingdom of God has come.
The ENT.
Jesus.
Yeah. The ENT that the news of the world bear.
Hey, they confused. The news that the kingdom of God has come.
The ENT that the Kingo have come.
Can they buy?
In the band,
Oh, thank you for coming. Oh, cancel later. Cancel. Bye bye. Igabaze. Biko. Onye nwere Igbo teacher. Igbo teacher is needed in my family. Hey!